Welcome. Today I am with LG NanoCell TV and I will show you how you can make the hard reset of this TV. So at the first we have to tap on the settings icon on our remote control. Next we have to go for all settings, find support and go for this option, reset to initial settings. So as you can see, we will simply restore the factory default settings. So tap on it. Next you have to input your password. And if you don't change this password, you will get password like that, 0, 0, 0 and 0. You have to click OK and it will be restarted. But I just changed this password and in my case it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Click OK. Next we have to confirm. Now we have to wait and be patient. And right now the hard reset is complete and we can start with the first setup. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.